Hello everyone, how are you doing? In this video I'm going to show you how to take a shower inside my minivan. And we're going to start with this thing here. It's like a pop-up tub. I did buy a collapsible 5-gallon bucket or a collapsible water container. I had to cut a hole in the top to put the pump in. But what I bought for this is this thing. This is called a BOSS, a battery operated shower system. Base camp outdoor systems. Anyway, you put your propane bottle here. You have an outlet and an inlet, or inlet and an outlet. Anyway, you put your pump from here into your water, your 5-gallon water, and then you have a shower spigot from here. And it's supposed to heat up your water. So this is how I'm gonna do it. I just felt like this is the safest, so I don't have to touch any hot water. I have a nice sturdy kitchen counter here, so I'm gonna use that. It's going to raise up basically like this. Here's the drain right here. So this is what I did. I bought a collapsible 5-gallon jug of water, and what you have in here is you have the pump, this little thing here that goes with that thing. Sound like it was running. And this is all going to be plugged into that thing. Okay, this is the side with the propane. This is where the pump goes. There we go. All right.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
The water's warm. Oh my gosh. I've already done this once already, so this is my second time. All right. All right, here we go.
Future is bright. We don't need no more. Even in the...
I've read that 5 gallons of water, oh my gosh, it's nice and warm, is about a 5-minute shower. Anyhow, and my main reason for doing this is that I don't want to have to depend on the gym always being available to me and wanting a shower on my terms. I do like the privacy this affords me. So I have that door over there open. If I'm out and about and I'm taking a shower, oh, it's nice and hot. I would probably crack the front window. And I have a clip-on fan. I would blow out any noxious fumes. Anyhow, oh my gosh. Me and my husband have discussed how we would do this if we were together. And there's plenty of room. He could sit here. The couch is right here. He could sit here and be watching a movie, or just sitting here reading, or he could be in a store shopping. But yeah, I just took a full shower. I still have half a gallon, or 2.5 gallons. So I used about 2 gallons of water. So I'd say this is like this has been like a success. But anyhow, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get dressed and I'm going to drain this into a Alright, so I'm out of my tub. I'm actually gonna just dump it in my driveway into a gray water tank or a bucket. Anyhow,